the truth of the can, of the light can, is that you know, we have Red Bull. I think you also have Red Bull, right, in the US, the energy drink, right? And so there were some evening when I, you know, when you want to have stuff anyhow, what in the evening and all the shops are closed, you go to a gas station. You can have everything at a gas station. I think same on your side. So and then there was a rack with cans, with Coca-Cola and yeah, different cans. But the Red Bull can was pretty sexy and the rack was clean. So I said myself, okay, I like the design and the shape. I like the shape of this can. And then I visited one day later. A friend of mine is the owner of a discotheque, and I said, hey, can I have an empty tray of Red Bull? So in the tray are 24 cans. And then I took the saw. I opened up that original Red Bull cans and built it in some LEDs and little LED optic, and then tried it and figured out how it appears to me, to my eyes, and so I fell in love, and the rest is a story.
That's an amazing story to say that you used the design of a Red Bull can and actually chopped it up. I mean, there's a lot of us out there that are watching that want to know the genius behind how something comes to be, and that's a great story.
So how to make a regular can is a science. This is what I learned. This is not easy, but we don't having that thin material. We have professional thick housings made of aircraft aluminum. It's really reliable, stable, robust. So it's just a shape. Yeah.
Do you have a can there in front of you?
Sure. And it's the can with the new adaptation here, so that we made recently.